Happy morning to you, my dear students. How are you all? Fine? Yes? And you're thinking what would be the next topic for GK? Yes. Let's look. What is our topic for today? Yes. What's the topic? Spot the differences. Spot the differences. Now look at the color on this slide. Is there any difference? Yes. Yes, you all can see the color. Everything is in black. But the topic is in red. Difference means फर्क बताओ. जो सेम नहीं है वो ढूंढ के बताओ. Okay? So you have to spot the difference. So this is all same. Black, black, black color, black color. But this is different. So I spot the difference. मैं difference बता रही हूँ कि this is in red color. So today's topic is you have to spot the difference. You have to look what is not same, what is different, क्या अलग हो रहा है. Okay? So let's do that activity. Very thrilling activity for you. You have to look at picture number A and picture B. Two pictures, they look same to same. But let me tell you, there is some difference and you will spot the difference. So let's begin with the boy. The boy is in the lawn and he is playing their football. In picture A, some things are happening which are right. But in picture B, some things are happening which is wrong. जो गलत है, यहाँ पर सही हो रहा है, यहाँ पर गलत हो रहा है. You have to spot and tell what are those four wrong things. Okay? So picture 1A, he is playing in the lawn. That is correct. What about here? What is the difference? Yes? So what the boy is doing? He is playing on the road. Is it safe, children, to play on the road? Never. It will cause accidents. So that is the difference between that boy and the boy in this picture. So what will you do? Let's do the marking. So let's mark the difference. The difference is the boy is playing on the road. That is wrong thing to do. That is wrong thing to do. Next, what this girl is doing? She is driving the car. Is she safe? Look at this girl. What is she doing? Is it same? No, it is different. क्या अलग हो रहा है? Look carefully. She is safe inside the car. Look here. Her hand is out of the car. Is it safe? No. Should you do that? No. So this is the difference. This is wrong. It is dangerous. Never do it. Okay? Let's look at the next difference. This girl, she is using the zebra crossing to cross the road. So if you use the zebra crossing, you can cross the road safely. But what is she doing? What different she is doing? She is crossing the road. Is she using the zebra crossing? No. So that is the difference. So let's circle this girl. She is crossing the road without using the zebra crossing. That's wrong. So we got 1, 2, 3 difference. So let's find the fourth one. Look at these two pictures. Are they similar? No, they are different. What is the difference? This good girl is putting the rubbish in the dustbin. What is this girl doing? Is it right? No. She is throwing the rubbish on the road outside the dustbin. So that is wrong. So when I will send you the worksheet, I am going to send you the same picture and you will do this activity. Think and do it. Circle whatever is wrong happening over here. So I hope you will do it correctly. Yes? Okay students, so I hope you will not only do the worksheet but also remember what you learned and follow it. So children, happy learning. God bless you all.